Welcome back to my channel! Uh, I really like the last spin I did with the Erebor inspired yarn that I made into a pair of socks for myself and a pair for my dog. And when I bought that braid, I had this braid as well that I bought with it. This is the Hobbit inspired colorway. This is one of them is false. I think it's supposed to be the gold sickness of the dwarves. That's why there's like bits of gold, bits of rocks and stuff. So I think it's gonna be a really pretty pair of socks. Last time I did the fractal yarn. So like I like the gradient and stuff. But this time I think I want to try and make two pair that are the same, first of all, and I guess self-striping / gradient yarn. I don't want to do it fractal just because I want to try another way of doing it, even if I love fractal yarns. But yeah, let's try and make two balls of yarn that are exactly the same, or at least like almost the same. So yeah. And to spin this yarn, we will be using this new to me Ashford traditional. So the reason I want to do it as like a two socks with like self-striping, repeating gradient or whatever it's gonna turn out as. The main reason I want to do two socks that are the same is I have a friend, I tease her a lot because recently I did a road trip with her and I was knitting a sock and she kept asking me, oh, how do you know it's a pair if it's if they're not exactly the same, because like the colors were like not starting exactly at the same place, so it wasn't exactly two socks, identical socks. So I kept teasing her. I was like, well, I only have one pair of green socks, so I know those goes together, but I know she has quite a bit of OCD, so I keep teasing her about it a little bit, but from a place of love, of course. So this is for you. I hope you like it. And I hope I do a good job separating it. Those colors are so beautiful. And here we go! Our 4 little nests. So those two are together and these two are together. Let's start spinning our singles. So this is my new to me Ashford traditional that I just bought today. At my local yarn shop, the lady is retiring, so she's getting rid of a lot of stuff, and there was this beautiful wheel in her store, and I couldn't say no to it. So yeah, let's I just cleaned it up. It doesn't look like it needs oil that much. I will try spinning like this. Maybe I'll stop and oil it up a bit later on. She took real good care of it, so I'm not too scared about that. So yeah, let's try and spin with my new Ashford traditional. And of course, I don't have a flyer hook. Let's grab a crochet. Bit more fiddly than the my nano, but I wanted an upgrade because the nano is a bit too small for what I do, and this is a beautiful upgrade. And what's great about Ashford's is they still make parts, so if I need any replacement, new bobbins, new flyers, I can just order it online from their website. Well, from a reseller, I guess, because I don't think you can buy it directly from them. And we are back. We had a momentary technical difficulty. My leader got wrapped between the bobbin and the flyer right there in that corner, so I had to take everything off. But now I think we're good. I just started, as you can see, this is not the leader, this is the first few bits I just made. She has quite the pull compared to my Electric Eel Nano, but I like how it feels. It's very different from the Nano. It's like you need to pedal this wheel, so it's a bit more involved, but it's quite fun. I like it. Also, something I've learned from my my last spin I did for socks, it might not have had enough spin in it, so this time I'm trying to give it a little bit more. So compared to the other one, this one has like 2 speeds, so I've put it on the smaller whirl. So I feel like it's spinning a lot faster on the flyer. Stop and see the amount of spin we're putting in this. Hopefully it's not ropey. Oh no. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, okay, that's perfect. Nice. Alright, so small world, SockYarn, amazing. I'm really happy. I'm really happy. Alright, let's continue. Some people say their wheels are chatty. I think mine is farty. Because the footman has like a leather part on it, and every time I press it goes like twang, twang. I don't know if you can hear it, but yep, my wheel is not chatty, it's farty. So I just realized that I've been spinning for a while. I thought I filmed the first skein because I finished one, but apparently my camera decided not to record, of course. So yeah, that's the first one finished, and I'm halfway done on my second set of single. So this is the first one, and then there's still the second one here. So yeah, it's coming along very well. As you can see, it's a very barber pulley on this, because I thought I calculated my my splitting in half, but as some of you have pointed out, in my last video, I do not have a scale. So it's not super precise, but it ended up doing like some really beautiful pattern on it. I'm really happy with the barber pulling I have. It almost looks like a fractal. It's not a fractal because the second single doesn't repeat, so it's just like two mirror image of each other. So yeah, I'm happy with the result, and I can't wait to see how the second one spins up. But if it's anything like this, I'll be very, very happy. And I will see you when we're about to apply the second skein. Because this is for one sock, and then we're spinning for the second sock. But like my previous the Erebor inspired one, pretty sure we're gonna have some leftover yarn because I'm not doing knee-high socks. So yeah, I will see you in a little bit. And here we go! A beautiful little, is it the camera? Yeah. A beautiful little ball of our single. We can see all the colors that's in there. I really love the colors of this braid. Like all the dark spots, and then it goes back to chocolate browns and golds, and all the way back to white. I'm really can you see me? Yeah. Really can't wait to knit this and see how it looks like in socks. But to do that, we'll need to spin another single, the last one. And if hello you, yeah, it's time for a walkie. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna tell them bye, and then we'll go for a walkie, and then I'll spin the other single. Yeah. You might have seen that the wheel. Shh. You might have seen that the wheel is now darker than it used to be. It's because today I waxed it. Well, oil/waxed it, and yeah, the finish. There's like a sheen to it. I really love how it looks like, and yeah. So I'll go walk Tommy and Laika, and then I'll come back and spin the other single. Yeah, I'm coming.
One day out of nowhere, he presents the most popular film crew with a 12-point business plan after widespread engagement.
They call me fearless. I have no fear of consumer protection. Therefore, there's no downside. I gotta go.
So we got our two little Plying balls. Well, single balls, because Plying balls, I think you need two singles together, wrapped together. I don't know. We got our two balls, and of course, that's when the lady that sold me the wheel found the remaining bobbins. So next time we'll be able to ply from the bobbins directly, but for this one, let's ply from the balls, and then we'll get our second skein for the second sock. Second skein for the second sock. Alright, let's get plying. Right. I'm putting my 2 little balls on the ground. I'm sure my friend David will make jokes about balls because we're so mature. That's a lot of tension. Move a little bit. Yeah, this came off. I need to glue it back on. And there we go. I think we're hooked on the leader. Whoops. Please stay in the same direction. Oops. Nah. Crap. Let's pull on this because we're stuck. Alright. Let's put it on the first hook. And there we go. Whoop. And adjusting tension. We good now? Everyone's happy? Yeah. Alright. There we go. Flying time. Squish, squish. And we're done with the plying. And here we go, we got our 2 little skein for, like, each one should be a sock with leftovers, of course. And yeah, I still have to wet set the twist, and then I'm gonna make them sun that. As you can see, it's quite sunny outside, so they will go enjoy the sun, and I will too at the same time. As you can see, this one got very barber poly, and this one is more like continuous colors. I guess this one I managed to to split it more evenly. Like when I was splitting the second half, I managed to separate this one way more evenly than this one. This one is super barber poly, so it's not gonna make exactly 2 socks that are exactly the same, but the essence will be there. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like below. And I will see you next time whenever we knit these socks together. Bye bye.